We are LED company, integrating research and development, production, sales, and service. Many engage in the productions of high-quality adjustable LED chips and flexible LED lighting strips. Our production and management areas is about 4,000 square meters, and there are 70 employees. The company has set up a professional LED test frame workshop with a number of high-speed SMT machines and reflow soldering, semi-automatic rolling machines, several automatic production lines, and a variety of advanced production equipment, which greatly improve production efficiency and shorten the lead time. All our products must undergo rigorous aging examinations and 100% fully test before shipment. Make sure every product is high quality when received by the customer. Our products have already won high recognitions and trust from domestic and foreign customers. Our professional engineering research and development team, they have developed a variety of new products and provide professional customer service to customers with complete experimental equipment and testing instruments, which can help us control the product qualities more professionally and accurately. With the development of technology, people pay more and more attention to the intelligent LED with variety of color and program controllable. Our company actively meets the market demand and set up LED package department and have developed a variety of digital LED chips. We are committed to the research and development of productions with our innovative business philosophy. We have developed a variety of full-color digital LED products, such as LC8812, LC8822, LC8808, and adjustable RGBW flexible LED strips, dream color digital lighting tubes, match greens, and LED master displays, and so on. With strict requirements for the consistency of LED colors and brightness, our SPCM of white color can be less than 3 levels, and the lumen of our 2835 flexible LED strips can reach 160 lumen per watt, and its color rendering index is up to 98. OEM and ODM are available. We can provide customized service according to customer requirements. We adhere to quality first, customer priority, and committed to LED technologies, innovations, and development. Looking forward to your cooperation. Let's work together to promote the development of LED industry